All these videos are generated for free and unlimited, and you can do too. In this video, I will show you how to use my video generation tool on your PC without installing anything or complicated setup. In just 3 steps, and you are ready to generate unlimited motion graphic videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a folder for the tool on your PC and name it, for example, Bahaa AI Video Generator. Step 2. Download the zip file from the link in video description and put it in the folder you have created in Step 1. Step 3. Extract the zip file using 7-Zip or any other software. The password is Bahaa. That's it. You are ready to use the tool, and you don't have to install anything on your PC. Now I will show you how to use this tool. We will be back for this file called instructions prompt in a few seconds. Now open the folder Bahaa AI Motion Gen. You don't need to change anything here, just to run the tool interface. Open this file called startui.bat. This will open 2 windows. The command window, which is used to monitor errors if happened, and you don't need to change anything in it, just leave it in the background. And the tool UI will open in your web browser. This is the tool interface, and the tool is running and ready to generate unlimited motion graphics videos in seconds. To generate videos in this tool, you will need something called TSX code. This tool will convert TSX codes to videos. I will show you how to convert your ideas to TSX codes and convert them to videos. But first, in the tool you have 2 options to insert your code. First, you can paste your code here, or upload a TSX file using this button. I will cover the 2 ways so you can enjoy all the features of the tool. Now, let's create our first code. Open ChatGPT and create a new project. Name it TSX Codes, for example. Then click these 3 dots here and select Add Instructions. Now go back to the file we have downloaded earlier, which is called Instructions Prompt. Open it and copy all its content. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt here. Then click Save. Now ChatGPT is ready to convert any idea to a code ready to be used in the tool. Now let's give it the first prompt. Create an AI processing loading animation. Show a brain icon made of connected dots and lines, neural network style, in the center. The connections should pulse with cyan light traveling along them. Around the brain, show a circular loading ring that rotates. Below, show text Bahaa AI with dots that animate in sequence. The brain nodes should occasionally flash brighter. Colors, cyan and white on dark background. Duration, 5 seconds. And click Send. ChatGPT will reply with a long code. Wait for it to finish. Now to copy this code, don't use the copy icon. Just select the code only with your mouse, then copy it. Now go back to the tool and paste the code here. After a few seconds, I will show you the other way using TSX files through the Load File button. Now give your video a name. Video 1, for example. Now click Generate Video to start. Within a few seconds, the video will be ready and previewed here. And this is the result. We can make edits to the video and generate it again. That's what we will learn in coming videos. So make sure to subscribe to not miss the updates and the coming tutorials for this tool. To save the video, click Save Video and save it to your device. Now let's try the other way using a TSX file. First, let's create a new code. I will go to ChatGPT again and give him this prompt. Create a code typing animation. Show a dark code editor background with line numbers on the left. Animate code being typed line by line with a blinking cursor. Use syntax highlighting. Keywords in purple, strings in green, comments in gray. Add a subtle scanline effect over the editor. The typing speed should feel natural with slight pauses between lines. Duration, 5 seconds. Then click Send. ChatGPT will start creating our new code. Then copy the code just like we did before. Now go to your PC and create a new text file. Give it a name Video2, for example. Open that file and paste the code in it. Then save the file. Now rename that file to change its extension from .txt to .tsx. And press Enter to save. Then click Yes to confirm. Now our file is ready to be used in the tool. Go back to the tool and click Load File. Then select the file we just created. You find the tool loaded the code from the file in the code area, and the file name will be loaded here automatically. Now click Generate Video. In a few seconds, your video will be ready, and this is the result. You can save the video just like we did before. In the coming videos, we will make more updates and improvements to the tool. To close the tool tab from the browser and close the command window. Thanks for watching, and see you in the coming video.